I took a form here, and what I did was I drew a shape around the form that I think looks kind of like a leaf. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on the nail. Okay, now I'm going to flash cure this for about 15 seconds, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to pinch it. Flash cured this for 15 seconds. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start pinching it. All right, I have the pinching tool on just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the lamp for the rest of the curing time, which is going to be about 1.5 minutes. I've applied 2 layers of the transparent gel in yellow, red, and orange. And the reasoning behind that is that in the background you see some dried leaves, and I'm going to be applying those to the nail. And I don't want there to be any spaces. If there should happen to be a space, you'll see color through that. Using clear gel to apply the pieces of leaf. Just going to pick up, and I'm going to put them everywhere on the nail. I'm going to keep applying them until the whole nail is covered. I'm going to flash cure as needed. Now I'm taking just some gold paint and going around the smile line a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and cure all that. Add a nice thin layer on top of the leaves to not cap them in all the way yet. But it's going to give me a smooth layer so that I can do some drawing of veins and stuff on my leaves without, it having to be too bumpy. Before I continue on anymore, I'm going to go ahead and use my ceramic nail bit, and I'm going to go around and shape up the edges of the nail and kind of buff it out a little bit before I draw out any more lines on it. And I'm also going to file it with a hand file here.